And residents in Benedict's Heights are this evening calling for a solution to the flooding in their community. The residents were left stranded after persistent rainfall. Anthony Lugg has that story.
The aftermath of Friday's flooding in St. Benedict's Heights in East Rural St. Andrew. Some of the water has subsided and things are much calmer compared to yesterday, but the residents say they were on edge last night.
Whole heap of fear. Because me have a heavy landslide right up on my house up there, so me afraid say any rain come back down again. Me go back to all the process when me go through yesterday. From morning me get up, me have to sun me things them because we wet up in the rain yesterday because I have a heavy landslide around at the background there. Come down pan the door and the whole of the house flood out.
Well, from yesterday we not really gone away at all, you know. I'll keep on watching the water and see if the water will kind of subside that we can get to move. I have my car parked in the yard, can't really go away.
But if that was not already a challenge, those who decided to leave the community did so with caution. Take for instance this woman. The taxi would leave her at this drop-off point because between the high waters and the deplorable roads, the drivers just would not cross it.
When we have groceries, we have difficulties bringing it up because no taxi is gonna come up there and no taxi can't come up there because it's very difficult. I mean, it's very, very difficult. I really would like it to be fixed.
Right now, me can't come out because as I see the water here, my car is very low, I can't come out. So me have to stay in my yard as long as we not decide to go jump the fence or walk on the fence side and go round.
On Saturday, teams from the National Works Agency and other government entities toured the area and carried out an assessment. The residents have renewed the calls for their issues to be addressed urgently.
They have to do something to it because each time the rain fall like this, we're having problems. And we can't move, can't go nowhere, we have to stay. So, you know, me just ask the council and the Prime Minister's wife is our representative and would like to so we can get to move to and from.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.